Hello, happy holidays, and welcome back for the video. My name is Caitlin, and I hope you guys are having a great day today, and happy holidays, and you're all getting ready for Christmas, and that you're finding everything you need in the stores, alright. So today, we are making pizzelles, and this is something my Nonna always made this time of year. I don't have a recipe, unfortunately, so I am using the one from the Pizzelle Iron Handbook. So, here it is. I will make sure to write it down below so you guys can have it too. And this is my Pizzelle iron. This is something that you do need to have for this recipe. So if you don't have one, unless you really feel like investing in one, there's really no way to make these, unfortunately. But if you do have one, then this recipe is for you guys. So this is part 9 in our 12 Days of Christmas Cookie series. And if you haven't already, please subscribe down below. That way you don't miss any of the recipes I have coming out in the future. And so I've got tons of things for New Year's parties, and I've got a whole new series coming in the new year. A little bit more outdoorsy, a little bit more healthy, because with all these cookies, I'm sure we all need a little bit more healthy. So please subscribe down below, and I look forward to seeing you all, in the future. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to put into the bowl is 3 eggs, and then 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Follow that up with 1 stick of melted butter. Make sure it's not too hot when you put it in, or else it's going to end up cooking the eggs. And then the recipe that I'm using calls for 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract plus half a teaspoon of anise seed. However, I only have anise extract or anise extract, so I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of anise. Then you want to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 3/4 cup of flour. And then just mix to combine. So our next step, once we have all the batter made, is to plug this in and get it heating up. And we're also going to want to spray it down at this point with some cooking spray. So once your Pizzelle iron has heated up all the way, you're going to want to take a nice tablespoon amount and put that on the back. And put that just off center on the back portion. And hurry up and put another one on this one. There we go. And then close your iron. And these cook quite fast. They only take 40 to 50 seconds. And you want to open it up. Oh, there we go. You just want to remove them very gently with the fork. There we go. And there we go. And you just want to repeat that again and again until the batter is used up. So put a little drop off center. A little bit more off center. There we go. Close your Pizzelle iron. Here they are. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!